Hello kids, a very good morning. Welcome back to my class. Kids, today also we will continue with the same topic, birds. And today we will learn the name of two birds. Now all of you look here. This is an eagle. Eagle is a huge bird. It eats birds and animals for its food. Eagles have very sharp eyesight. They have a white wing also. And the spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Repeat one more time with me. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now all of you look here. This is an kingfisher. It is a very beautiful bird which is blue, green, black and orange in color. It has a long pointed beak which helps them to pick the fish from the water. And the spelling of kingfisher is K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Now repeat one more time with me. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Now kids, all of you get ready with your EVS copy. We will practice its spellings. Kids, are ready with your EVS copy? So first what you have to do, you have to draw the margin. Then you have to write CW and today's date. So today's also our topic is birds. And today we have learned about eagle and kingfisher. So what you can do, you can take out the printout of these two birds, or you can draw it, or you can take out the picture from any old book or magazine and you simply paste it. Okay. So we will write the spelling of eagle. The spelling of eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Again, E-A-G-L-E. Again, E-A-G-L-E. Again, E-A-G-L-E. Again, E-A-G-L-E. Now we will write the spelling of kingfisher. Okay. So first we will write the spelling of king. K-I-N-G. Then we will write the spelling of fish. F-I-S-H-E-R. Okay. Again, K-I-N-G, king. F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Again, K-I-N-G, F-I-S-H-E-R. Again, K-I-N-G, F-I-S-H-E-R. Then again last one, K-I-N-G, F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. So kids, complete like this and submit me tomorrow. Thank you so much kids for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed my class. See you again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.